Good morning. I woke up like this. Ayan, streaming na naman si Boy Danla. Ayan, guys. Ganito po talaga ang life ng isang YouTuber. Good morning to everyone. Ayan, anong oras na ba dito? Anong oras na ba dito? 2:38 na po, guys, dito sa Japan. Ayan. So, kakain na po ako kasi nagluluto na po ang aking anak ng fried rice. See ya! Good morning. I woke up like this. And let's eat. Ayan, fried rice. Ayan, sa tuwing umaga, or minsan lang, pinagtitimpla ko ng kape yung mga anak ko. Sa tuwing nagtitimpla ako ng kape, naalala ko yung nanay ko. Kasi, yung nanay ko, alam niya yung kahinaan ng tatay ko. Kape. Ayan. So, ayan. Coffee drinker yung tatay ko eh. Kaya mahal na mahal niya yung nanay ko kasi alam niya na yung alam niya na yung coffee, ayan po. Yung coffee, nakaka-relax yun. So, nare-relax yung tatay ko pag umiinom siya ng coffee. Ayan. Who wants to drink coffee? Who says yes?
I'm cocoa.
No cocoa. So, it's coffee time. Yesterday, we drink chocolate drink, right? And this is for you. Ayan. You are? What can you say? What can you say? You are?
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. So, ayan, may thank you. Inom tayo ng coffee. Ayan. So, hindi pa ako nag-ayos kasi kagising ko lang. Matutulog ulit ako, guys. Ouch! Matutulog ulit ako. Ayan, shoutout sa akin trapal. So, ito pong green na yan. Ginagamit ko yan pag sa tuwing ako ay nagla-live streaming ng StreamYards. So, ayan, wala pa akong ligo. Ulit ako, guys. Kasi nagising ako. Kasi nagutom ako. So, nagising ako saglit. Ayan, so kakain kami. Ayan, naka-play all pa po yung iba. Naka-play all pa po yan. So, ganun po talaga pag mayroon kang sinusuportahan mga friends. So, sayang din naman, natutulog ako. So, habang natutulog ako, magpe-play all din ako sa kanila. So, ayan. So, kakain po tayo. Ayan. Breakfast time. Matulog ulit ako, guys. Kasi, ayan o. Grabe na yung pinagdaanan ng eye bags ko. Shout out sa mga eye bags dyan. Ayan.
Guys, kagabi na naginip ako. Nag-break na daw kami. Iyak ako ng iyak. Kaso nagising na ako. Tawa daw ako ng tawa. Wala ka pala ako jowa.
Maybe I should just quit and go back to making noodles.
Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
You gotta put your past behind you.
But it still hurts. Oh, yes, the past can hurt. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it.
Your story may not have such a happy beginning, but that doesn't make you who you are. It is the rest of your story. So, who are you?
Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.